Good morning, students. Myself, Dr. Yogita Ninama, Assistant Professor Zoology. Our topic is importance of Amosit larva. What is Amosit larva? Amosit larva is the larval stage of the primitive lamprey, known as an Amosit's larva. Serves to illustrate the much maligned concept of ontogeny recapitulating phylogeny by resembling the more primitive hemichordate. Its importance is in the evolution of the petromyzon fish. The amosit larva undergoes metamorphosis which changes its internal organs leading to their development. The amosit larva has several properties of ancient chordates as well as those of vertebrates. The larva has dorsal nerve cord, nervous system, gills, brain, eyes as well as notochord. The development and metamorphosis of this larva is important for the evolution of the petromyzon fish. It is probably represent the most primitive and generalized vertebrate form intermediate between cephalochordates and vertebrates. Internal structure showing in diagram. All internal organs are remarked by alphabets. Main characters are dorsal fin, nerve cord, notochord, medulla, optic lobe, eye, olfactory lobe, median nostril, oral hood, oral tentacles, velum, pharyngeal gill bags, subpharyngeal gland, pharyngeal gill slits, heart, liver, intestine, and caudal fins. Petromyzon is a marine and freshwater animal, but larval phase is a transparent burrows in U shape. It feed on night. It has eel-like body, differs from adult by several characters. It has oral hood present at the mouth. Below the mouth, short transverse lower lip is present. Behind the buccal tentacles, a velum with a pair of cup-shaped muscular flaps are seen. Surrounding the mouth, buccal tentacles are present. The pharynx is associated with 7 pairs of gill pouches. The endostyle is present on the ventral side of the pharynx. The mucus secreted by the endostyle, food particles like unicellular algae, bacteria which enters with the current of water and entangled with the mucus. Metamorphosis of amosit larva. It undergoes metamorphosis, losing several of its larval features and becomes the adult. After a long period of larval life, amosit larva changes their internal organs. The endostyle modifies into the thyroid gland. The oral hood changes into the buccal funnel with horny teeth, tongue, and round mouth. Paired eyes are developed completely. The velum degenerates by leaving a rudiment. The continuous dorsal fin breaks into dorsal and a single caudal fin. The young lamprey migrates to the open sea from river and becomes carnivorous adult animals. Adults are so harmful for fisheries. They attack fish and fish die. The scars left on the body of fishes render them unfit for the market. So larval lampreys are sometimes used for bait. So amosit larva exhibit striking similarities with Amphioxus. It is a very primitive and generalized vertebrate. It may be regarded as the connection link between Amphioxus and Cyclostomata. Thank you.